Introduction to binary search.
Binary search is a fast algorithm for finding a target value within a sorted list. Instead of checking every element, it repeatedly divides the search space in half. This approach makes it much more efficient than linear search for large collections. In this guide, you'll learn how to implement binary search in Python, step by step, along with the reasoning behind each part.
Understanding the approach.
Before jumping into code, let's break down the algorithm in simple terms. Start by checking the middle element of a sorted list. If it matches your target, you're done. If the target is smaller, focus on the left half. If it's larger, look at the right. Repeat this process until you find the element or the search space is empty.
Writing pseudocode for binary search.
Here's clear pseudocode for binary search. 1. Set low to the first index, high to the last index. 2. While low is less than or equal to high, A. Find the middle index. B. If middle value equals target, return index. C. If target less than middle value, adjust high. Otherwise, adjust low. 3. If not found, return -1.
Implementing binary search in Python.
Let's translate the pseudocode to Python. Python def binary search, our target. Low high equals 0 len our -1. While low equals high, mid equals low plus high times 2. If our mid equals target, return mid. If our mid equals target, return -1.
Tips and common pitfalls.
Remember, binary search only works on sorted lists. If your input data isn't sorted, the algorithm won't return correct results. Also, always check your indices carefully to avoid infinite loops or missing your target. Take care when writing your conditionals and updating low and high to guarantee progress toward the answer.
Conclusion.
With these steps, you can efficiently search through sorted lists using binary search in Python. Understanding the logic behind the algorithm helps you avoid common mistakes and use this powerful technique effectively in your code. Experiment with different inputs to see how much faster binary search is compared to linear search on big lists.